Hey guys, we're going to show you how to install the T-Bone Racing XV18 front bumper to the Proline Pro MT 4x4. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is to remove the stock front bumper and brace. So that will just be those two screws there, and then the 4 chassis plate screws. Alright, and we'll just pop that off. Okay, next thing you want to do is to disassemble the front bumper assembly so you can get to the stock brace there. So that will just be the 4 screws there. Having a little issues with my lighting here. We'll see if we can fix it. So it's just 4 screws, just pop those out. Okay, don't need that piece anymore, don't need the front bumper piece anymore. What we need is this brace here. Okay, and so your bumper, your T-Bone Racing bumper, will come assembled like so with the aluminum brace mounts and the bar installed. And so what you'll do is you'll take your stock brace, and included with the T-Bone Racing bumper will be 4 aluminum spacers, and you'll just place those into the brace like so, assuming they'll stay in. Okay, so once you have those on in both sides, you'll take the M4x14 button heads and you will put them through the brace. Okay, so you'll have the spacers in your stock brace and then the M414s threaded through. Yeah, thread that one through a little bit more. Okay, and now we'll want to mount this to the T-Bone Racing bumper, and so it will mount directly on top of the aluminum bracket. Okay, with the M4 lock nuts going underneath. So I'm going to extend those down a little bit more. Place it in. And then what I'll do is I'll take my lock nut, I'll take my little wrench, and I will just hold it underneath where the screw is going to mount, and I'll just screw it in from there. That part can be a little tricky to get set up. Once you have it, it should be no problem. So just get your wrench set up. And tighten it down. Okay. The next step will be to mount the brace to the car. Make sure that's straight. Mount the brace and the bumper to the car. And what you'll want to do is to start the 4 chassis screws first. You'll have, let's see, I think M4 by 18s and M4 by 20s. The 18s will go towards the rear of the vehicle. The 20s will go towards the front. Alright, and don't tighten these screws down all the way until we get that brace attached to the car. Okay, next step, we'll get the brace. I sure hope you guys can see all of this. As I said, I was having a little bit of issues with the lighting. And so to put the brace on, you'll just use the stock cap head screws that we were supplied, or that come with the Proline car. Okay, that's done. Now, last step is to tighten the 4 chassis screws. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you mount the T-Bone Racing XV18 front bumper. I apologize if the lighting was poor in some of those places. As I mentioned before, I was having a little bit of issues with that. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.